Hey folks, Dylan here from Shopify. So how does shipping work? I get asked this question a lot, so I'm going to go over the few different ways that you can use to set up your shipping rates in Shopify. You've really got three options when setting it up. 1. Carrier calculated shipping. 2. Weight-based shipping. And 3. Price-based shipping. We'll go over each of those in the video, but let's start off by looking at your Regions and Taxes page, as it's the tab that decides what countries show up in our shipping tab. As you can see, I have all other countries besides Canada grouped into this one Rest of World category. I won't be able to differentiate rates between countries. So the United States and France would receive the same rate. If I want to add a new country, I click Add a New Destination, select the country, we'll put in United States, and we'll add this destination. So now it'll show up in our shipping rates. So the first we'll look at is carrier calculated rates. It connects your shop to a shipping carrier like FedEx and pulls live shipping rates for you based on where you are and where your package needs to go. You hardly even have to lift a finger for this option. So enter in your account information and you can actually be more precise about what options you want given. Alter the prices, add a handling fee, etc. Basic rule of the internet, if it's a hyperlink, click it. Next, we'll look at weight-based. So this weight applies to the total order that is placed. We refer to this as the total cart. Make sure you've actually filled out the weight field in your product's information. When your rates aren't calculating correctly, this is often the #1 culprit. So I'm going to spoil my customers by giving them lots of shipping options. People can't wait to get their hands on Shopify merch, so they want something overnight. So I'll add a weight-based rate. We'll call it Express Overnight for any range, and we'll charge $25. Add a shipping rate, and it'll show up alongside the other ones. The last option is price-based shipping. This option is great if you want to provide an incentive to order in bulk. So for example, spend $75 and pay only $5 in shipping. So let's go ahead and create this. So for the United States, since I don't have any rates, we'll add a price-based rate. We can name it whatever we want. I'm going to name it bulk order discount $75. So somebody orders $75 or more and receives a shipping price of $5. We'll go ahead and add that rate. You should have price ranges to cover any possible order, so it's a good idea to create one option that doesn't have a limit. Similarly, you're going to want to create an option that covers below $75. But if I wanted to offer free shipping to someone over $100, we'll have $100 and up. And we're going to charge them nothing for shipping, so we'll add that rate as well. Now most importantly, you should run through a bunch of test orders in order to see what gets displayed for your customers in different countries. Remember, an informed seller is the best seller. Thanks!